Morning, Nala! So, we're here outside the house. And flex ko lang itong aking birds of paradise. Yung isa kasi, nag-dried up na siya. And this is from one mother plant. Ayun. So, and the other one naman, dito siya galing. So, tatlong pinanggalingan niyang puno. And nasa paso lang siya. And ito yung pinaka baby. Hindi pa siya nag-dry. Pero nag-bloom na siya lahat. Ito. Ang gandang halaman. Rare lang to. Hindi to basta-basta namumulaklak. Pero this time, so tatlo sabay-sabay. Dried up na siya. So ito itsura ng natuyot na bulaklak ng birds of paradise. And this is the second one. Siya yung near na mag-wilt din. Yung malapit na mag-wilt. So full bloom. And this one, full bloom din. Pero meron pang fresh. So, medyo matagal pa to bago mag-wilt. So, gagawin ko dyan. Kakat ko siya and then ipipreserve ko. I-preserve ko tong dahon at itong bulaklak na to, guys. Hindi ko siya itatapon. So, hintay ko lang na lahat sila mag-dried up. And pag nag-dried up na siya, ilalagay ko siya sa isang vase. Okay. So, sana may coming pa. Nakapat lang siya. And thank you for watching, guys. Capturing the moment of my birds of paradise flower blooms in my garden. Good morning. It's a beautiful morning. Sunny morning. Okay, let's get inside. And thank you for watching. Just simple, short video. Bye.